Hey skiers, it's Bob with SkiEssentials.com. Welcome to our 2026 ski test. Got a Stockli Laser SC Orea for you today. Same shape and construction as the normal SC, different top sheet and just a cleaner overall look. And they're just really trying to give this ski, which is already a very premium end model, just another kind of notch up on that scale. But you do get the resulting performance for what you're paying for. It is incredibly smooth, damp, energetic, and just built to rip. These things are incredibly fun and supportive at the same time. They are built with a blend of poplar and beech in the wood core. We get 2 sheets of metal in this ski. It also uses their flex torsion control technology. So they carve S-shaped slits in the top layer of metal, and that allows for greater torsional mobility in the front and back of the ski. Really opens this thing up to slower speed compliance, shorter to more moderate radius turns with greater ease, while not jeopardizing the upper end, that high-end performance ceiling that these skis also have. They actually have a much broader low range, which is really making these things that much more impressive. If you think about it, we don't all spend all of our time skiing at top speeds. There's a lot of time that's spent in that slow to moderate range, whether you're dealing with traffic on the hill or just kind of maneuvering through terrain. It's not always 100% full gas. So being able to put the brakes on and get some nice performance at lower speeds really covers the entire scope of your ski experience, where other skis in this range, you really have to be on them 100% of the time to really get them to perform. You got to get them up to speed in order to access the performance. Not so with the SC Orea. These things are performance skis even at lower speeds. So that's a big difference between Stockli and a lot of other companies, is that they offer a ski that works well in more moderate skiing conditions, kind of where I would say most of us actually spend a lot of our time. We do get an SRT12 system binding on this ski, and in the 170 here, we're on the scale at 3,150 grams. So decent weight for the ski. That binding and that plate add some weight, but they also give you a nice platform to stand on, providing you with extra leverage to take full advantage of this 70 millimeter underfoot ski, which just absolutely turns on a dime. There is enough flex in the ski as well to be able to access that side cut and kind of key into that turn radius at this length of 14.5 meters, and really kind of access the entirety of that arc. But we do see more of a front side mentality once we look at the shape and profile. That system binding is weighing down that camber, but it is full camber. Very, very minimal in terms of rocker profile and taper shape, even when you decamber the ski. No movement in the front, indicating that there is really no rocker. And then no taper either. That widest part is well up into the tip of the ski. And then the tail is quite square and blocky, and that is delivering the appropriate performance to the back end and just giving you so much rebound and energy out of the back of the ski. Anytime that it's very angular like that, that translates to performance and just delivers just really a shocking amount of rebound and pop through the tail end. But yeah, it's certainly an on-trail ski, an on-piste performer. I think that there's room for this to be used in moguls and packed out trees. Just a slight move towards versatility due to the flex and that torsion control technology that they have. Just making those more technical terrain turns at least accessible, maybe not preferred. This certainly is happier in a firm snow and groomed standpoint. So if you're spending most of your time on piste and in more manicured terrain, this SC Orea is just going to light it up. Incredibly fun and just an approachable ski for how high-end that performance is. So that's it. That's the Stockli Laser SC Orea. Make sure to check this thing out here at SkiEssentials.com, and we will see you out there on the hill. Bye.